The ratchet is part of your saw's starter system. It consists of the starter pawls and springs attached to a mounting plate. The ratchet is installed just behind the starter. When the rope is pulled, the notches on the starter pulley engage the starter pawls on the ratchet and the engine is turned over. Over time, the starter pawls can wear or be damaged, and the springs can break. Replacing the ratchet is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the belt cover from the saw. With the belt cover removed, now I have access to the ratchet, and I'll go ahead and remove it from the clutch. Now I can install the new ratchet. I'll align it to the clutch and secure it with the screws. Now I can replace the starter and belt cover. I'll align it with the housings and secure it with the screws. Now I'll reinstall the front belt cover. I'll loosely tighten the nuts and then tension the belt. With the belt tensioned, now I can tighten up the nuts. And that's all it takes to install a new ratchet in your cut-off saw.